I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable announce calls on your iPhone. So this feature basically announces verbally that you are getting a call and who it's from. We're going to have to turn that off by opening our settings. We'll scroll all the way to the bottom and select apps, and then we'll use the slider on the right to go to the P section and then select phone settings. Here we're going to select announce calls. Here your options are to have it always announce calls, to have it announce calls when you are using headphones or in the car, using headphones only, or never. I like headphones only personally because typically if I'm wearing headphones, I don't have my phone out and it's nice to just hear who's calling. But you can also select never. You can also select to have it on when you're in the car, and obviously you can have it on always. Once you make your selection, you can close out of settings and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.